Hello everyone, I'm John. Yesterday, I introduced the front panel of Q16pro 1U, including setting the layout, splicing, loading and saving, and etc. But there have more convenient operations to control it. So today, I will control how to control the Q16pro 1U through the XPOSE software and the remote control. Okay, let's start. This is the rear panel of Q16pro 1U. Now I plunge into a 2K signal HDMI input and one 4K signal HDMI input, and the two output ports connect to the mini mix. This is the LAN port, can be connected to the network cable, and this RS232 port can be connected to the serial cable, like this. And this USB port connects to a signal receiver. It used to connect to the remote control. Now I demonstrate using the serial port to connect the Q16pro 1U. And to laptop. Okay, let's start into the XPOSE software. The administrator and password and the host IP are default. Let's start. The step 1. Click the settings. Because I'm using the serial cable, so the communication settings set the serial port. And choose the Q16pro from the Q series. And click the search device. Click this circle. Click the chosen device. Click on the box. The interface LED has access to the input signal 10 screen, but the output interface doesn't. Step 2. Enter the display management. Open this icon. Choose template item. Choose the container mode. And choose the container resolution. And you can choose auto create monitor. It can choose the container row and the column. And change the AOI layout from automatic to menu. You can drag and drop the container here. Step 3. You can see that there is a number 8 here, which means that the one layout can support 8 layers. Drag and drop a layer for signal list as the background. Because the crossing doesn't occupy the layer, the number becomes 7. Now on the left is the computer XPOSE interface, and on the right is the output effect. Next, I click list the Control add Control C. Let this background to the bank 2, 3, 4, 5. And I can do different scenarios. And this can change the width, height, and X position and Y position. And then step 4, enter the preset management. Click the bank tool. You can click this card to switch the scene. Switch the bank 3 and switch to the bank 4. It's bank 5. Okay. And our remote control can also switch scenes. Let me show you. Okay, this is the end of the introduction of Q16pro 1U. Next, let my colleague Luke to summarize for you.
Hi guys, thanks for watching, and thanks for John's great demonstration for the Q16pro 1 unit. So you guys have seen how you can do configurations through Xbox and through the remote controls. So I think for the Q16pro 1 units, there's 3 ways to control it. So the first way is through the front panel control, which we covered yesterday. I think you guys still remember that. And the second way is through the Xbox on your computer. So that kind of is like a remote control, the remote way to control the 1 unit. And the third way, the last one, is using the remote controller. And you can change things and change the signal layers for the 1 unit. That's it for, I think that's all for the Q16pro 1 unit today's. And so we covered, for the Minimix, we talked about how to configure and configure the 5 layers, 2 video layers, 5 image layers, and how to save and load things on Minimix. And I think we are all happy to see you guys coming here today and joining us the 4th webinar for the Q16pro and Minimix. So remember to subscribe and our YouTube channels, so you will get the latest news and what's going on with RGB links on YouTube. And I think it's great to have you guys here, and thank you again for joining us for today. Let's look, we are on air in RGB Link head office in Xiamen, and we'll see you tomorrow at the same time. Still, we have 2 sections tomorrow. The first one will be Minimix also, and the second one will be the Q16pro again. And we will see you tomorrow at the same time. We will have a great day, and bye for now.